All right. Now, what if you want to update the application? Every time I need to rebuild the image over and over. Now, this sounds insane, actually. So I need to add here. I need to edit this from hello world. I want to put anything instead of hello world. Okay, the word anything. Okay. Now I need to build the Docker image over and over, then run the Docker compose and a lot of things actually. Now this is bad. No, well actually we will not do that. We will do something else, and this is here on our Docker compose file, and from the services, from the web, under the ports, okay, which means the same level as ports, I mean, as build, inside the web, we will put this time volumes. So volumes like this, and inside it, two spaces, as you can see, I will put a list like this without quotation, I mean dot, and I will put it to the code, okay, which means that from the external host, which means the current place of this Docker compose file, all the files will be inside the /code directory. All right. So which means that I will make a mapping between the app.py here, and I will put it there, the one that we will run the Flask run there. Okay. So any update on the code app.py will be mapped there. All right. Okay. Now let's see that in a moment. Now let's save, and then after that I will docker dash compose up like this, and you can see now it is up and running. Now actually edit the app.py file. Now you remember it was like this. It was hello world I have seen whatever times. Okay, now I want to put something else this time. Now hello world, and I will put beside it version 2. Okay, with space like this. Okay, so hello world version 2. So let's save it. Now docker compose up. Okay, now let's check our docker here. Yeah, forget that. Docker bs. Yeah, we have all the containers running. Now if I go here, refresh it, you can see that hello world version 2. And you've seen that 15 times, 16, whatever. All right. So far, so good. And in the next lecture, we will learn more options we have for the Docker Compose actually. And they are very cool options. I will see you there.